In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert to the original version of your Paperform after making changes. So if you've ever found yourself wanting to go back to an earlier draft of your form, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward and gives you flexibility in managing your forms. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by locating where you need to go. Once you have your form open in the editor, look for the Publish button. Right next to it, you'll see a small arrow. This is your gateway to accessing the version history of your form. Click on this arrow and select Versions from the drop-down menu. This will bring up a list that displays all available versions of your form. Here, you can see every draft version, complete with the date and time of publication, as well as the name of the team member who created it. This list is especially handy if multiple people are working on the same form, as it keeps a clear record of who did what and when. You'll also notice that the version currently live is marked with an additional live tag for easy identification. Now let's talk about how you can use a previous version. If you want to take a trip down memory lane and load an older version into your editor for review, simply click on Load as Draft. This action will not make the draft live immediately, it merely allows you to view it within the editor. Think of this as a way to preview the past without affecting what's currently live on your site. If you decide that you indeed want to revert to a specific version and make it live, that's just as easy. Directly next to each version listed is a Publish button. Clicking on this button will immediately replace your current live version with the one you've chosen, broadcasting it to the world. This is an ideal option if you've made extensive changes and find that they simply aren't working, or if a previous version was just more effective. To recap, navigating through your form versions is seamlessly integrated into the Paperform interface, ensuring that revisiting or reverting to earlier versions is just a few clicks away. It's a practical feature that offers peace of mind knowing that your hard work isn't lost and changes aren't irreversible. And there you have it. You now know how to effortlessly maneuver through the history of your Paperform to revert to previous versions when needed. Implement this in your workflow for a smart and easy approach to managing your forms. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your forms.